Hello, my name is Camille and I would like to present you the Proslide Invisible. The Proslide Invisible includes an invisible built-in profile for floor-to-ceiling doors up to 100 kg. The sliding track is almost invisible. There is only a little shadow gap that can be seen. The mounting and guide rail consist of one single profile, which makes installation quick and easy. Thanks to the SE module, the roller systems can be easily assembled and disassembled at any time, even after installation of the system. There is a reduced risk of crack formation in the plaster because of the stable sliding track. The profile is equipped with a special dovetail profiling, which ensures good adhesion to plaster. The minimum distance between the door and the ceiling is 3 mm. The Proslide Invisible is available with a soft close and a soft open.